Hi, I'm George. We live in Highton in a two-storey house that has a garage as well, all of which are serviced by an elite elevator lift that we put in recently. We decided to install a lift for future mobility issues for my wife and family. We're on a pretty steep block, so getting up the multiple stairs we've got had been a bit of an issue. So we've now got that ability to drive into the garage, and then we've got the elevator to cover all 3 floors. The benefit beyond what we'd planned for was the fact that we can come straight into the garage. We've then got the ability to get our shopping up to either the ground level or to the second level. We've also used it on the odd occasion for moving bits of furniture up and down. It's a great piece of engineering overall. Everybody's commented that it looks great, it fits in really well. When you come into the garage, it's like, wow, you got a lift there. It's like, oh, did this get built with the house? People are impressed by how seamlessly it fits into the structure of the house. Elite was the best of the 3 options that we looked at. So we looked at other 2 lift companies. In the end, a combination of both the German engineering, and I was familiar with ThyssenKrupp from my engineering work, and Italian built. It all sounded like it would be pretty good. And certainly the demo facility they've got in the city was really quite significant in determining that choice. The sales guys were good. They were quite professional. The delivery was done well. I would have to very much recommend how well the project manager, Linda, dealt with us on the project. She was tremendous, always considered requests and queries with great attention. We're delighted that we've got this lift in. I'd certainly recommend it as a quality product. Overall, in terms of a finished solution to mobility issues, whatever age you are, the Elite Elevator solution has been great for us.